In this video, we listed the 5 best gaming keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Attack Shark X85 Pro. The Attack Shark X85 Pro keyboard is a high-concern chemical-free mechanical keyboard featuring ABS plastic keycaps and hot-swappable switches. It supports USB interface connectivity and Bluetooth wireless tri-mode connection, suitable for desktops, laptops, and tablets. This 82-key standard keyboard from mainland China boasts CE and RoHS certifications. Noteworthy features include a TFT color screen displaying various settings, an aluminum alloy knob for precise controls, and RGB colorful backlighting with customizable effects. It offers a self-developed Blueberry switch for enhanced tactile feedback and durability, along with a 4000 mAh battery providing up to 75 hours of usage. Ideal for gaming enthusiasts, it supports cloud macro definition and competitive mode customization directly through a web browser, emphasizing ease of use and performance optimization. Number 2. Attack Shark X68 HE. The Attack Shark X68 HE mechanical keyboard is a high-performance gaming accessory designed for demanding gamers. It features magnetic switches ideal for gunfighting games, boasting an 8000 Hz return rate, 128K ultra-high scan sampling, and 0.125 ms delay for unparalleled speed and precision. The keyboard's ergonomic 8-layer construction includes P0 filled cotton for reduced noise and enhanced comfort. Customizable RGB lighting with 16 million colors and single-key lighting options add style, while its user-friendly web-driven software allows easy customization of settings and macros, catering to both competitive and casual gamers alike. Number 3. MCHOSE Ace68 Pro. The keyboard described is a compact, 61-key mechanical model suitable for various applications including desktop, laptop, and tablet use. It features hot swappable switches for easy customization, and a multicolor backlight for enhanced visual appeal. Designed for both standard and gaming purposes, it connects via USB and operates wirelessly at 2.4 GHz, manufactured in mainland China under the brand name NuPhy. It meets CE certification standards. The product promises durability with switches rated for 100 million cycles, offering different mechanical configurations tailored for gaming and professional use, ensuring a smooth and precise typing experience. Number 4. NuPhy Halo65 HE. The NuPhy Halo65 HE keyboard is a high-performance mechanical keyboard designed for gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a compact ANSI 65% layout with 67 keys, it utilizes innovative normal profile magnetic switches for ultra-fast actuation and durability. It supports hot swappable switches and boasts a striking aluminum top case with ABS bottom case. With a dazzling south-facing RGB LED backlight offering 20 modes, it enhances gaming ambience. The keyboard operates with an impressive 8000 Hz wired polling rate and includes features like N-key rollover and a robust MCU clocked at 144 MHz, ensuring minimal latency and high precision. Compatible with multiple platforms, including Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Android, and iOS, the Halo65 HE embodies cutting-edge design and performance tailored for discerning gamers. Number 5. Irok Nd63 Pro. The Irok Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard is designed with high-concerned chemical materials, featuring a standard 82-key layout suitable for desktops, laptops, tablets, and more. It utilizes magnetic switches and offers RGB backlighting for enhanced visual appeal. The keyboard supports hot swapping for all keys, allowing customization without soldering. Compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, it combines modern styling with functional versatility, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a portable and customizable typing solution. Originating from mainland China under the brand name Irok, it embodies a blend of ergonomic design and technological innovation.